Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel with your girl Christina. Today's video is a little different. I wanted to try some DIY chocolate cup strawberries. And they're going to be Christmas inspired. So yeah, if you would like to see this video and to see how I do and how they come out, just keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. See how that went. They weren't completely bad. I think I just need to be more focused, probably not have any company while I'm trying to do it, because it was a little distraction, and I'm already not a great multitasker, like, you know, 100% great multitasker. So whenever I do make something, I have to be completely focused, and having company and family over definitely didn't help that, but it's okay. It was a good time. But I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Forgive me for day 7. I know that I missed it, trust me. I'm not sure if any of you guys are in school, but I am currently in school full time. And this is the last like week or so, couple of days, say about a week or so, to the end of the semester. So I've just been trying to make sure that I get all my work done for all my classes, take advantage of any extra credits that they're offering. And that's why I've just been, you know, I wasn't able to post yesterday's video, but it's cool. You know, I'll pick up on today. I'll double up sometime in a month. But yeah, as always, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that button and subscribe to the channel. Now, also don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of my uploads, future uploads, any uploads at all. And if you wanted to see what I've been doing thus far for the month of December, go ahead and catch up on all my videos. And until next time, my people, thank you so much for watching. Bye.